My name's Jason Stewart. I'm the golf superintendent at Brickyard Crossing Golf Course in Indianapolis. We're located at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. The course was built in 1929, the original of 3 designs. The most current, 93, was a peat dye redesign. So there was a 1.5 million cubic yards of soil moved. The previous owner, the Holman George family, they'd owned it for 7 decades. So it was a big change, family owned. Tony George is the one who reached out to Pete Dye to have this golf course redesigned, and that was in an effort to attract a tournament. And we did have the Champions Tournament here throughout the 90s and all the way up to 2000. And we've had the LPGA as recently as last year. The course was designed, Pete designed it, with stadium seating. So around all the greens and tee boxes, there's mounding. The features alone just provide those vantage points for the spectators. So there's 4 holes located inside the oval, 14 out. We've got a creek that runs through the course that offers a lot of challenging golf. I think there's a lot of unique features. The high tension power lines, we're over a flight path for the international airport. We've got a train that runs on the east side of the property, and we've got cars running around at any certain time. So it's a chaotic and loud place, and we can have spectators with open golf as well. So you never know what you're going to see here, and I think that's just the unique part of this facility. The new owner, Roger Penske, bought this place in November. It went final in January. And since then, we've just been making a huge push and reinvestment into the property. And we've been upgrading the facility from a maintenance, landscape, paint, fence, you name it, across the board. He's touched everything here. I think just the age of the course itself, it was built in the 90s. Everything was built well in the 90s. We have spectacular drainage and our irrigation is on point. But the bunkers started falling off. Everything has, an expected life, and the bunkers were just part of that. We are in 2 years of a bunker renovation that we were doing in-house. It was the first thing that we could tackle that I thought we would get an instant impact from. We're using the Better Billy liner, and we went back to our original spec sand that Pete had brought in here, the best sand, the 535. We did just rebuild our practice area to accommodate the amount of play and traffic that we get because we're a natural surface. We're located in a close proximity to downtown Indianapolis. We'll finish up the bunker renovation. We'll redeck all the bridges, get them taken care of, and then we'll start, just the routine leveling heads, auditing the irrigation. We're always looking to improve the golf course, and the whole staff is. So it's really just choosing what our next project is because they're coming to me daily. And I know with this new owner, the phrase that goes around is Penske perfect, and that's the motto that we strive to uphold, and that's expected of us.